Time for the latest on our winter storm set to impact the country for the next several days. Ahead of our approaching cold front, gusty northwesterly winds helping create a high fire danger over the central interior. That's from the northwest through the Free State, as well as the interior of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. Very gusty northwesterly winds forecast ahead of our approaching storm system. As our cold front makes landfall, it will create heavy rainfall that could lead to localized urban flooding across the Cape Metropole, as well as the Cape Winelands and the Overberg district. It will be cold enough that some of this rainfall will change into the frozen variety, that is snowfall, for the mountainous regions of the Western Cape, as well as the southern high ground of the Northern Cape. That's for Wednesday into Thursday. Then this cold front marches eastward slowly but surely across South Africa, cooling temperatures in its path, not reaching Johannesburg and Pretoria until the start of the early weekend. But we have chilly temperatures settling in across the Free State and Gauteng, as well as KwaZulu-Natal, with chances of rain across much of the East Coast heading into Thursday and Friday. We'll highlight that in just one moment. Here's the latest from the South African Weather Service. This is a warning for heavy rainfall that could lead to localized urban flooding. Anywhere you see that shading of red, by the way, that does include the Cape Town City Bowl. There's also a warning for high seas between the Haneklip Bay and Port Alfred region. Total seas on the open ocean, 6 to 9 meters. A warning exists for gale force northwesterly winds between Cape Point and Cape Agulhas. Average wind speed between 65 and 74 kilometers per hour. Drive with care. A watch for disruptive snowfalls is in effect across the mountainous regions of both the Western and Northern Cape. And lastly, a watch exists for a high fire danger, again across the central interior of South Africa. Runaway fires are possible. Our latest high-resolution super microcast model indicates our 50 millimeters plus rainfall accumulation over the next 72 hours across parts of the southwestern Cape. And then our rainfall overspreads KwaZulu-Natal. Showers possible from Durban to Richards Bay, as well as Pietermaritzburg by Thursday and Friday. Now, rain is not our only concern. We have snowfall in the forecast. We could experience between 20 and 35 centimeters of snow across the mountains of the Western Cape. Lesser amounts near Sutherland, but still chances of snow for you. And then if you look closely near the Drakensberg, 25 to 40 centimeters of snowfall possible by the end of the work week. Well, that's an update on the latest winter storms. Stay warm and stay safe.
Know more about your world.
eNCA.com